In today's special Earth Day episode of Meet Your Library, I'm taking you to the Leaves and Letters Garden, tucked away here behind the Johns Island branch.
It's a space outside where we can extend learning into the natural environment.
Using the garden for adult and children's programs.
It helps them to understand why nature is important, and also to be nice to nature when they see it outside, and to be able to explore everything that's going on, and that if you see a bug, you don't want to just kill it because it might be a beneficial insect.
One portion of the garden will be filled with vegetables commonly found in Gullah Geechee dishes, like okra, eggplant, red peas, and rice.
What we hope to convey to the public is the rich agricultural history of the Gullah Geechee people, not just here on the islands, but across South Carolina.
Hopefully inspiring the community to embrace the Gullah Geechee culture and traditional recipes.
We want to refamiliarize people with these vegetables, as well as how easy it is to grow them. We're going to include some written materials out at the garden site that are going to have recipes in them, including recipes directed at children, because we really want them to understand that it's not difficult to grow vegetables, it's fun to cook with vegetables, and there are also still a number of Gullah Geechee farmers still on the island, and so even after you leave the library, year-round you can go out to these farms, pick up these vegetables, and make them part of your table every day.
The rest of the garden will be filled with native perennials, appealing to pollinators like bees and butterflies.
To hopefully improve our butterfly population around the library, but it's also a nice place for patrons to go outside and sit, take a book and read.
Mark your calendar for June 8th at 2 p.m. when the garden will be officially unveiled.
It's a family-friendly event, and we are going to make stepping stones for the library to let people know kind of where to roam around to find our little secret garden in the back of the library.
For more information about upcoming Gullah Geechee events or the dedication of this garden, head to ccpl.org. And I'll see you next Monday to Meet Your Library.